Welcome to our latest video. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to change the location mode on your Android phone. Follow my instructions to make the necessary changes quickly and easily. I will change my location from my current address in London to one in Los Angeles. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Google Maps is saying that my current address is London. I now change my address to Los Angeles using the GPS changing app. When I reload Maps and refresh the current location, it is indeed Los Angeles. Open the Play Store and search for Loca Edit. Then install it. Now, before we can use it, we need to enable developer options on your Android device. Now we need to let your phone know that you are using a mock location app. Search for mock location and select Loca Edit. That's all that's to it, folks. Enjoy GPS surfing. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.